Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to add a thumbnail to YouTube video on phone. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we should do is download an application called YouTube Studio and log in using the YouTube account where we want to change the thumbnail. Once logging in, we need to find the video for which we want to change the thumbnail. Click on it and we will see a small pencil on the current thumbnail. Click on it and we will see the pencil again, but on the left side of the thumbnail. Click on it again and now we just have to click on the change option. This will take us to the most recent image on our phone, where we can choose the one we want. Then we click on done and then save, and that's it. We will now see the changed thumbnail where our videos are located. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.